Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have the best of Boxy. So if you guys would like to see what I have in my Boxycharm boxes, then just keep watching. This is for the Cyber Deal, so it's going to be super amazing here. There are 3 different boxes in the box, and I'm going to show you exactly what comes in here. So as I said, there are 3 different boxes. There is one that has $59, there's another one that is $79, and then the last one is $99. And yes, I have it all written right here so I can remember. So I'm going to show you what is going to be in each of these boxes. So you guys should get pretty excited because, as you guys know, I love Boxycharm and they killed this. Alright, so the box that is going to be $59, these are the things that are going to be in this box. We have the Naked palette for the highlighters in here. So I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to show you guys what the swatches look for all of these. So these are absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to swatch all of these for you guys so you guys can see. So I have these 3 or 4 right here. Here, here, and here. So there's the first 4. One's right there, and then one is right here. Next up in this box, we have the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I have used this many of times. I have this. I use it every single day. This is so good. It makes your pores so tiny, like they're not even there. I usually put it on my right here, and then a little bit in my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. So those are the only spots that I think that I really truly need it for the pores to go away. But this is an amazing product. Next in the box, for the $59 box, we come with this brush. So let's open this up and let's see what you're gonna get, if it's a good brush or not. Ooh, yeah. So this is the brush here. This is super nice. It's so soft. It's a really good brush. So the last thing in the box for the $59 box is from Cargo, and this is an eyeshadow palette. This one in here is the Nude Beach. This is a really good one. I've definitely had this one before. It is just very neutral. The colors in here are absolutely stunning, and I am just totally obsessed with the colors in here, and I am really excited to see how they swatch. To put right here, here, and here. Let's see how these swatch. We can see these are the very light ones, and let's put them all right here. So as you can see the colors. I am very pasty today. I don't have any tan on, that's why. But you can see there are the colors. So as we can see, these are absolutely gorgeous. These ones are actually, I love this one too. I can't wait to see how these swatch. Okay, yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. The last ones are the black one, the dark brown, and this one is the kind of brown one. Oh, they all feel so good. So then here are the colors here, and then let's put right on here. So the ones in this box were the ones for $59, so I will put the link down below. So now I'm going to move these, and we're gonna go into the next box. Next box is gonna be for $79. So this is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. So this one looks like this. Let's go through these and swatch all of these. So here are the first 4. These are stained, so I'm going to take these and I'm going to put these right here so you guys can see how these ones swatch. So this one did not work at all. The ones with this is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see the color of that. It's amazing. And then this one right here, which is this, you can't really see, but you do have to remember. That I am really fair today. I did not put my tan on, so you couldn't really see it. And then this one down here that looks amazing as well. Here, and right here. These on our arms right here. That one has a little bit of fallout, but these ones came out the best out of all of them so far. Very excited to see if these ones are going to have a good swatch. So let's do this really dark one. I'm already seeing a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna do one by one, and let's start this right here. That actually went pretty well. Next, we're gonna do the middle. That's really pretty. And then we'll do the last one. This is the black. The one before it was brown. So here's the black. We have some light ones. These ones I'm not going to swatch because you're not going to be able to see it anyways, but I will put them on my fingers so you guys can see. This one is very like buttery, and then the other ones are not as much, but you can see those are there right there. Also in the box we have a Tarteist Pro Glow Stunner. So let's open this and see what this looks like. I definitely, once again, have this already, but I'm going to show you. So these are absolutely stunning. So good. And I'll bring it down here for you guys so you guys can see. Can you see that? Can you see that? I know you can. Put a little bit up here. Yes. I'm just using my finger because I do what I want. After that box, we have another box, and these are the Lashaholic like lashes. These ones are good. I think I told you guys last time that I love the lashes. I love lashes in general. I just am not a huge person that has like lashes that are like big, little, big, little, big, little. And that's how these are, but I know like it looks so beautiful on like everybody. So these are like amazing lashes, and you can reuse these ones for like however many times you can use them. Like I've used some lashes like this like 10 times and they still work like amazingly. So you guys will love these lashes. The last thing in this box is, let's open this up together. I can't remember what's in here. This is a Pro from Crown Brush. And I don't remember what's in here. I really don't. Is it contour maybe? It might be contour. Ooh, it's another palette? That's weird. There's like two palettes in here. I'm going to swatch everything for you guys. These palettes are really, really bomb, so I'm not gonna do all of them. I'm gonna do some of the ones that are like shimmery, and then I'm gonna do another one that has kind of like a darker one, because they all pretty much have the same like how it feels and stuff. So I'm gonna put two down here for you so you guys can see how they look. Alright guys, so for the last box, the one that is $99, I actually did not ever look in this box, so I'm pretty excited to see what's in here because I'm already seeing something that I'm just gonna pull it up right now because I don't even have this. I've never had this, and I'm super excited that I have it. I've heard so many things about this, and I think they have it at Tarte, but I never got it. I never went to go buy it because I'm like, oh, I have so many like contour things, so I never like thought that I really didn't think I need it, but like I'm so excited that this is in this box. Stunning. And it looks like this, so it has all of the contour and like not a highlighter, but it's like to set things that are, if you're lighter and things like that. I love these because they have all these different colors of the contour. So you have like the more red ones, you have the more like neutral one, they have a little bit darker ones, and they smell really good, so I'm super excited about this. Next up in the box, we have the Julius, I don't know how to say that, a eyeshadow primer. So let's see what this looks like, because once again, I've never seen anything in here. So it just looks like this, and then let's see if we can open it or it's gonna have a thing on it. So then when you're going to, it looks like this. So this is kind of like a neutral concealer, I guess. But I guess it would only work if it was the correct color for you. So this is the color Nude right now. So this must be just what everybody's getting. So it definitely wouldn't work right now because I'm so pale. But with my self tan, this would definitely work. Alright, so next I have this in the box. This is the IT Superhero Mascara from IT. We had this in the box, I think it was the last time or the time before that. I've been using this mascara non-stop. I don't use any other one other than this. It makes your lashes so it's absolutely crazy. This is my all-time favorite mascara from last time I started using this. I also really like about this is that when you're trying to take it off, it's very easy to take off your makeup with your eyeshadows, with your mascara. Sometimes you have to sit there and rub it and stuff, you know, it sucks. And then, but this stuff, once you start to try to get it off, it just boop, it's amazing. Alright, next we have the Desi liquid lipstick. Ooh. And then I hate when they have tape here for everything. I'm never gonna be able to open it. I'm not gonna put it on my lips. Okay, I'll just put it on my lips. It says it's a liquid lipstick, but I've used this before. It is not a liquid lipstick. It is just a color. It has a really good smell to it. Next we have some brushes. These are from, I tried to pronounce this last time too and I still couldn't, so I'm just going to show you guys once I actually finally get it out of the box. It looks like this. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but they are very pretty and the brushes are super soft. Oh yeah. You could definitely go underneath here and just do it daily. It's just so soft. And then they have this is what I would do, a cut crease with this. And then I also have this in here for the box, and this would be if you want to get something really close in your waterline into here. So yeah, these brushes are absolutely amazing. Next up, we have another lippy. This is a liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. So the color is like this. This is the color, absolutely stunning. I tried to take some of my lipstick off so that I can try to put this on for you guys. So let's see. I just love these types of colors. They're dark, but not dark. So here is the color. I absolutely love it. I'm definitely going to keep this on. This is, I'm never going to be able to say it, so I'm just going to spell it out to you. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to continue wearing this throughout the entire day. Alright, we still have more things in the box. So the next one looks like this. It is from Desi again. This one is for your nails. This is a treatment for your nails. I have this one once again as well. So it does not smell good. The first time I got it, I thought it was going to be a great smell for it. It's not. We're going to smell it again just to make sure. Let me see. Yeah, this one is not smelling good. But yeah, so you're just gonna put this on your nails and your cuticles just to make sure it's all in good. Next up in the box, we have Galactic. I love Galactic. They also have really good highlights. If you're ever looking for different highlights, look at Galactic. They're one of my favorites. So this is just a doesn't even tell you what it is, but it is a highlight and a blush. Looks like this. We have a blush over here, and then we have the highlight over here. So I'm going to swatch it. Oh, it is so glittery. Not glittery. So do you guys see that? It is just it's more of a wet consistency, and then over here we have the blush. I'm not sure if it's powder or if it's just because it was cold. I'm not sure, but here are the two colors right here. So pretty. And I'm gonna see you guys, I'm gonna swatch them here for you guys too. So we'll put one right here, and then one right here. Oh my god, those are so pretty. I'm definitely using these for, okay, let's just put something on. This, oh yeah, oh yeah. You can see a difference, you definitely can. If you can't, you guys are lying. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put the highlight one again and put it more. Woo! As I told you guys, Galactic has amazing highlights. They really, really do. Like, look at that. I know I already have like 2 highlights on right now, but you saw me just add another one and it's just like poppin'. Alright guys, so we have one thing left in the box, and this is another glitter drop from Cover FX. As you guys know, I love the cover drops. The glitter drops, woo, that was hard for me to say that. This one is the Luna one, so I've never used the Luna. I don't know what the colors are going to look like. Let's see it together. Ooh, I'm sorry, where would I wear this? I have no more room, so we're gonna put this on my wrist. Let's swatch this. Oh my god. It's like blue, but also purple. Like, look at it. Okay, I'm having way too much fun with that. Alright guys, so this is everything in the $99 box. There are so many things in that box. It is absolutely crazy. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this is helpful for you guys to see which box do you guys want to get. These boxes are the holiday limited edition boxes, so I hope you guys are gonna look down there and see and click and see which ones you want to go get, because I definitely think you should get the $999 box. They are absolutely amazing. They are absolutely amazing. Sorry guys, I finished chemo 3 days ago, so I'm like a little still bit in there. But I absolutely loved everything in this box. I think my favorite one was the $99 box. Did I say 99-cent box? This is the $99 box. I think it was absolutely amazing, but obviously I think all of them are amazing. I will put my link down below for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys are super excited to get one of the boxes. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.